Hi, if you wanna check steps on Google Pixel Watch free, then you can do it firstly by adding complication to your watch face. So you need to add steps complication to watch face, and for that, press and hold your current watch face, choose to edit it, and now swipe left 2 times, and instead of this alarm, I can choose steps. So let's scroll through this list a bit down and find steps in here. And yep, we can tap it, confirm by pressing crown button. And now I can immediately tap this complication and check how many steps I had today, this week, average amount of steps, best day, and open more detailed info in Fitbit app on the phone. Another way how you can check steps is by swiping left or right from your watch face, like that, to open tiles. And in my case, taps is the first tile, so as you can see, I can immediately tap it as well and check everything about steps, such as best hour, find it in a graph, and total amount of steps right here. If you cannot see this tile, then press and hold any tile from the list, tap on plus, and find it in this list, and then simply tap to add and confirm by pressing this crown button. And keep in mind that at midnight the step counter will automatically reset to 0 to start a new day. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.